So I've been using a Razer Core V1, which at the moment seems to have a bit of a power issue, where it doesn't want to start up every time unless I wiggle around the casing itself, or pull the handle, shut it, pull it, shut it, and it will eventually kick back into gear. So I've tore it down and have been trying to figure out what the solution is and also what is the problem. So I've narrowed it down to this particular location, which is now should be close to the center of the frame. So this little bit of plastic knob that sticks out, it contains a magnet, and I'm not sure if it's over time it becomes demagnetized or just a bit weaker, or if it's just it requires just that fraction more contact on the sensor. So it sticks down fairly well. It goes into its little plastic sleeve. Disappointingly, there's no way to really realign it. I could drill out the holes that are there and push it down a bit further and then lock it into place that way, which I think in the end might be the overall solution. But right now I'm just trying to remagnetize it a bit more. So now I'm going to reassemble it and also point out the particular sensor that this magnet does need to trip to cause the device to power up. Righto, so with it roughly reassembled, disconnect the camera, and down here we have, you can see the various fan connectors. You see the first white one on the left, in between there and the next connector is where that magnet needs to essentially activate. Now, I will just do a quick demonstration with a magnet on there. So this is with the enclosure removed. I'm just connecting a magnet directly onto that location and it's powering it up. So hopefully this footage here will give you some ideas and some possible solutions for your Razer Core V1 non-powering issue. So the other possible solution is just leaving a magnet permanently attached to this location. I'm not sure what the long-term effects may be, but at least every time you plug that power cable in, the Razer Core would engage, turn on, and be ready for use. And I'm going to leave the video here, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.